Good morning. Welcome back to the online classes of St. Thomas High School, Standard 3rd, subject Maths. So let's continue with this chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. In the last video, we have seen till here. Now let's see the other exercise, names in an order. Adil has to arrange this list so that the names starting with A come first and then come those with B, C, D and so on. Number these names in the order in which they will come. So first we will write here one number, that means the names starting with A come first. So there we will write 1, then come those with B, C, D and so on. So let's see. So you can see here Shraddha, Mahadevan, Tisering, Adil, Gurinder, Baichung, Harsha, Raja, Narayan, Kavita, Varsha, Elvis and Jalaj. So first here 1 here, you can see here A. Then next B. So you can see here this Baichung. So here you can give 2 number. Then C. C is there? No. D. No. E. Yes. Elvis. So you can give here 3. Then F. No. I. No. G. Yes. So here you can give 4. Then after G, H. Yes, you can see here Harsha. So here we will give 5. H. I. J. Yes, J is there. Here you can see Jalaj. So here you can give 6. Then after J, K. So you can see here Kavita. So you can give here 7. So after K, L, no, M, yes, Mahadevan. So here you can give 8, M, then N. You can see here Narayan. So here you can give 9 number. Then after N, O, P, Q, R. So you can see here R name is there, Raja. So here you can give 10, Raja. Then after R, S, you can see here Shraddha. So here you can give 11, S, T. Here you can give 12, S, T, U, V, W. So W you can see here Varsha. So here you can give 13. So like this type you have to give number. So these numbers you have to write in your textbook. Okay. Then Jalaj is proud to have a special name. Why? You can see here J-A-L-A-J. He says if you read it backwards, that means we have to read from backwards. So J-A-L-A-J. So again J-A-L-A-J. It is still the same. Yes, of course. So which of the following names have the same pattern? Mark. So you can see here her. If we will read this spelling from backwards, you can see here H, S, R, A, H. So again Harsh, yes, then Anna, A double N A. So from backwards also A double N A. So first we will tick, then second, then Kanak, K A N A K. From backwards K A N A K. So this one also we will tick. Then M-U double N-A, Munna. So from this, if we will read from backwards, A-N-N-U-M. So this one wrong. Then this one O-N-G-B-I. So B, so I-B-G-N-O. So this one also wrong. So this 3 you have to tick. Okay. So here this chapter number 10, Play with Patterns, is over. So I hope you all have understood. So now names in order, this one you have to write in your fair book, so that I will send in the PDF. So like that you can write. Okay. Now let's start the next chapter. That means chapter number 11, Jugs and Mugs. So now open Your textbook page number 153, chapter number 11, jugs and mugs. Bunny wets no special drinks. Now, wedding in Bunny's family. Whose family? Bunny's family. There is a wedding in Bunny's family, a family of rabbits. Many guests are invited. Deer, monkeys, elephants, cats, dogs, mice, foxes, camels, mongoose, etc. A special drink is served to all the guests. One glass each. Everyone finds the drink very tasty, but some small guests like mice, then other small guests whose you can write here mice, then cat, otherwise you can write mongoose cannot finish a full glass, but Dash is able to finish his glass. Who is able to finish his glass? So elephants. So you can write here elephants is able to finish his glass. Then some others like you can see here dash 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 ask for more than one glass. So who will ask more than one glass? Now guess. So you can write here camels, then monkeys, then you can write here dogs. They will ask for more than one glass. So you can write here camels, then monkeys, then you can write here mongoose, otherwise you can write here dogs. So they ask for more than one glass. Now the trouble begins. There are some big guests who go on gulping down glass after one glass, after more than glass. Bunny wants to guess who drank how much. Now help him fill the table. Have fun. Now here we have to write who's drank how much and name the guest. Less than one glass, then between 1.5 glasses, 1 to 5 glasses, then between 5 to 10 glasses, and more than 10 glasses. So here we have to write the name of guest. Let's write. So let's see. Less than one glass. So you can write mice, ants, squirrels. So these animals can drink less than one glass. Then between 1 to 5 glasses. So you can write cats, mongoose. Then between 10 to 20 glasses. So deers and dogs can drink more than 10 to 20 glasses. Then more than 100 glasses. So elephant and camel can drink more than 100 glasses, because this elephant and camel both are huge animal. So this one you have to write in your textbook. No need to write in your fair book. Okay. Thank you.